Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 heating while charging. So first, let's start off with, it's normal if you charge the phone using fast charging. It's normal that your phone heats up because it has to charge the phone faster. And basically what you guys can do about it is disable the fast charging. But when you do disable that, then basically the phone will charge longer. So you're sacrificing your time, but let's go over to settings. I'll show you guys where to find it. Scroll down until you guys see battery. And here, let's scroll a bit down until you see charging settings. Now here, as you guys can see, we have the fast charging. It's enabled by default, both of the charging, wireless charging and the charging, but you guys can disable that here, and now your phone should not heat up. What you guys can also do is check for background apps or any apps that can cause heat and high power consumption. So it's also in the battery settings, it's right here. We have the battery usage, we have the details about which app uses the most. And as you guys can see, the Google, we can basically background the usage limits. It's normally disabled, but here we can basically put the app to sleep when we are not using it. It's very important to do that so we don't actually heat up our phone even more. And then we can use original charger and a cable. It's very important to do that because when you're not using the original charger, and let's say the original one has 25 watts or 30, and you're using a 67 watt charger, then it can also cause issues with your battery heating, and it can also decrease the battery life. So make sure to use the original charger and a cable and avoid the phone while charging. So for example, don't watch any YouTube videos, don't watch Netflix, don't watch TikTok, and much more. Now, what you guys can also do, if you got a case for this phone, it's very hard to find, but if you do, then make sure to remove it, because as you guys can see, the phone can heat up inside. So for example, the phone can heat up here in the back, and it can cause a lot of issues. So I recommend you guys removing the case if you got one. If not, then just skip this step. Now, for the last thing, what you guys can do is charge the phone in a cool and ventilated area, and I don't mean the fridge, just a room temperature. And you guys can use some fans and it should help a lot. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.